Hi guys, I hope this finds you doing well and being safe and staying in and doing the things that they're telling us we're supposed to do. Each day when we do math, we start with a warm-up. And so today I wanted to start with a warm-up multiplying fractions. Remember, when you multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 4 is 12. You can reduce that by saying 6 will go into 6 one time, and 6 will go into 12 two times. Here's another one. 7 times 1 is 7, and 8 times 2 is 16. That cannot be reduced. Then you have 5 times 1 is 5, and 7 times 6 is 42. That cannot be reduced either because there's no number that can go into both of these numbers evenly. So, remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you just multiply straight across. There's nothing fancy to do. Now, today what we're going to do is talk a little bit about probability. Probability is a chance. It's the chance that something may happen. Let's look at a problem to help us understand that better. 7 out of 10 flowers are yellow. What is the probability that if you randomly picked a flower, it would be yellow? Well, you've got 10 flowers. And if you randomly picked a flower, 7 of them are yellow, so you have a 7 out of 10 chance that it would be yellow. Well, what is the probability that it would not be yellow? If you have 7 out of 10 that are yellow, then that leaves 3 remaining. So 3 are not yellow. You have a 3 out of 10 chance that it would not be yellow. Here's another one. In a 10-sheet package of construction paper, 5 sheets are blue. What is the probability that a randomly selected piece of construction paper will be blue? Well, okay, how many pieces do we have? Well, we have 10. And how many are blue? Well, we have 5 that are blue. So you have a 5 out of 10 chance that the one you picked would be blue. 5 out of 10 will reduce. 5 will go into 5 one time. 5 will go into 10 two times. So you could say you have a half chance, 1 out of 2. If you chose one piece of paper, you have a chance of 1 out of 2 being blue. Or you could just say 50%. You have a 50% chance. One more. When we look at our life game at school, we have a spinner. And we're going to pretend like this is a spinner, just like in the life game. And if I had a thing that I thumped and it went around and around and around, just like the spinner does, we want to know what are the chances that the spinner will not land on an odd number. Well, let's see. There are 3 sections. One is a 13, one is a 14, one is a 15. Out of the 3 sections, or the 3 chances that you have, how many of them are not odd? Well, 15 is odd, 13 is odd, but 14 is not. So you have 1 that is not odd. So you have 1 out of 3 chances. You could spin that spinner 3 times, and 1 time is not going to land on an odd number. If you go into iExcel, you will see that I have assigned several assignments to you. Right now, I'm still struggling with all of my technology, and it has not posted in the Google Classroom. But if you go ahead and sign into iExcel, you will see that I've assigned several assignments to you. So get on there and work those out and give them a shot. And also, don't forget that you can click up at the top where it says practice with an example or learn from an example, and it will walk you through a problem and totally explain it to you. So if our little lesson here didn't help you, then that should help you as well. Guys, be safe, stay in, and keep working. Take care of yourselves. Bye.